So the next we are going to cover is creating and configuring a new Panelview 800 project. So there are 3 primary steps to creating a project. The first thing you'll need to do is to select and create a project and then add a graphics terminal. So as you can see in picture 1, you can add several safety devices, motor controllers, drives, controllers being programmable logic controllers, and then graphic terminals. So you'd want to select a graphic terminal, and we are going over the Panelview 800. You can add it here, but one thing that you will see is there is no revision selection. Again, the revision does not matter as much when it comes to the software. You just want to make sure that your firmware is the most up-to-date possible. Once you select the hardware you want to use, you press the Add to Project button. Once you do that, you will see an image that looks very similar to image number 2, where your project organizer will add your Panelview 800 into the project organizer or the project tree. What you need to do from there is you will double click on the terminal, and it will then pop up a small window telling or asking for the orientation in which you are going to mount the Panelview. You can have it set up to be landscape or portrait. Once you select either landscape or portrait and click OK, it will configure and add the rest of the project in which you would expecting to be see that we covered, such as the tags, the screens, and things along that nature. But by default, it will automatically pull up the settings page. And this is where you can actually go through and set the communication to the PLC, security, FTP if you have it, email if you have it, and there, all the rest of your general configuration, which we will cover at a later time.